Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to enable Face ID to lock and unlock your WhatsApp application. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So if you're in a situation where you want to keep your WhatsApp chat private and locked up, then you need to enable this feature. To do this, open up your WhatsApp application. Now tap on Settings at the bottom right of the screen. Then tap on Accounts. Then tap on Privacy. If you look all the way down, you'll see the option for Screen Lock. Tap on it. Enable the option to require Face ID. Once you enable it, you'll see more options appear where it will ask you when you want this turned on. I would suggest select immediately. Do remember you can still see and reply messages from notifications and answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. Now if you go back to the iPhone home screen and then return back, the iPhone will ask you to confirm if it is you by scanning your face. Once it verifies, it'll then take you back to the WhatsApp application. If it cannot verify the face, it'll then ask you to enter in your PIN code. And that is how to enable Face ID to lock and unlock your WhatsApp application. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.